Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I am going to do a card reading for this whole week, which is going to be from Monday till Sunday. So I have already put my intention, did my prayers, and so I am going to start shuffling the card. And the card deck which I am going to use today is, first one is Angel Therapy card deck and second one is Super Attractor. So I am going to start shuffling the card and let's see how many cards Angel are guiding me and what are those. Also, this is one of my favorite card deck and it is very powerful. Oh, I got two cards. Last week also, like when I was trying to pick the card, for some reason there were two cards used to come together. So let's see how many cards we are getting. I'll shuffle one more time since they are guiding me and I always follow the guidance. I think they are guiding me to pick one or two more cards. Let's see. So I'm done with this card deck. I'm going to shuffle another card deck and let's see how many cards are coming from this deck. And these are positive affirmations, so you have to use these affirmations during the week as many times as you can. Okay, I got first one, second one. Wow, it's very easy now since they are guiding me to pick. Okay, let's see. Also for one more time, and I think they are guiding me to pick one or two more cards. Let's see. Okay, one and one more. Alright. Since I got the card decks from the both the deck, and I will start my reading. So I will start reading from the first deck, and the first card is Goddesses. Express your divine feminine energy, embracing its magical intuition and nurturing qualities. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, this card speaks of a need for scarred female energy, which brings gifts such as intuition, nurturing, and artistic expressions. Perhaps you have been spending too much time thinking or engaging in creative void work. If so, then this card is your signal to move your body in dance and express your intuitive, artistic, and nurturing side. You are also guided to call on benevolent female deities for help with the situation you are inquiring about. You can call upon Lakshmi, the beloved Hindu goddesses, who helps with abundance, Bright, the celestial goddesses of healing and courage, Mother Mary, the saint who guides our children, Athena, the Greek goddesses of wisdom, the Egyptian goddesses Isis, who helps women juggling home and family, or any of the thousands of other trustworthy and scarred feminine deities. Action steps. Within every woman are three parts of the goddesses. Maiden, that means inner child, at the times pure and other times adventurous or bold. Mother, that means nurturing qualities. And matriarch, that means the teacher. Men have analogous inner qualities of the late, the dad, and the patriarch. It's important to express each of these three parts daily. This helps to balance playfulness with work and relationship. Spend time each day expressing all three characteristics and notice how much more energized and balanced you feel. Another card, God box. Write our worries, concerns, or desire on a piece of paper that put into a special container called a God box as a way of letting go and allowing the divine to help you. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, the angels want to relieve you of the burden of worries by giving you a physical method of releasing your cares to heaven. Writing down your prayers, requests, or worries for divine intervention is an effective way to work in partnership with God and the angels. You can write something short or lengthy and will receive the same results. What matters most is that you write from your heart and then give the paper out to heaven symbolically, either by burning it, which release it, putting it in the freezer, which stops the situation from progressing, burying it, which helps with emotional healing, or putting the paper in a God box, and it means see the action steps below. And the action steps. God boxes are time-honored tools for gaining peace of mind and answer to your prayers. If you don't already have a container specifically for use as a God box. Now is the time to buy, make, or desiccate one. Choose an ornate container that evokes a sense of the mystic or majestic. For instance, a royal purple box or one decorated with crystals may speak to you. Ask your angels to guide you to a wonderful God box and then follow their guidance to find or make the container that's right for you. Place your God box where you can easily see and have access to it. Next card. Crown Chakra. Pay attention to your ideas as they are messages of your true divine guidance sent in answer to your prayers. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: you drew this card because the angels are asking you to trust and follow the ideas you have recently received, as they are the answers you have been seeking for your current situation. You already know the truth and the best course of actions to take. Trust this knowingness and take appropriate actions. When you honor your ideas, the universe reciprocates by sending you additional support while you make healthy life changes. This card is also a message to clear the crown energy center or chakra, which governs your ability to tap into the universe's collective wisdom. Your crown chakra can become blocked if you dismiss your inner thought as wishful thinking or common knowledge. Remember that all ingenious ideas begin as daydreams that turn into wonderful inventions. Action steps. Archangel Uriel, whose name means he who is divine light, is the angel of divine wisdom and knowledge. Sit quietly and say, Archangel Uriel, I call upon you now to clear and balance my crown chakra. I ask for your assistance in boosting my belief and faith in the ideas that come to me. Help me in responsible following through with my divinely guided ideas. Another card. Cancel, clear, delete. Use only positive words and thoughts as they are rapidly manifesting into form. Ask the angels to cancel the effort of past negative thinking. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: have you been complaining or worrying lately? Do you consider yourself a victim of outside circumstances or people? This card indicates that you have been using negative affirmations to describe yourself and your situations. The angels are asking you to be more aware of what you say, think, or write about yourself. Your past choices of words has blocked you, but fortunately, that barrier is removed the moment you choose positive words. Perhaps caffeine, nicotine, sugar, or other stimulants have caused your mind to race with worry. The angels can help you reduce or eliminate carvings of stimulants. This will calm and clear your mind so that you can deliberately choose words that describe your desire instead of old fears. Action steps. If you catch yourself saying something negative, even in jest, stop and swap your hand at the wrist in order to push the energy of your word away from you. Then say, cancel, clear, delete to undo the effects of negative formations. This is similar to rebooting your computer by simultaneously pushing the Control, Alt and Delete keys by saying cancel, clear, delete. You let the universe know of your positive and clear outlook for yourself. You ensure that any previous negative affirmations won't manifest into forms. Instead, they will be replaced by your new radiant intentions. Another card. Law of Attraction. Relationships and activities that you once enjoyed are now changing as you become more sensitive and aware of energies. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card signals that you are experiencing shifts because of your spiritual path. The universal law of attraction says that like attracts like, so you are attracted to people and situations that have similar intentions to your own. For example, if your intentions are to be loving and see the divine within everyone, you will attract loving people and situations. You will also repel people who have unlovingly focuses. This is why you may find your relationship and taste changing. You may avoid old friends who no longer fascinate you, or perhaps you now dread going to a job or club that you previously Enjoy. Know that these experiences and feelings are a normal part of the spiritual path. You are attracting wonderful new relationships, situations, and jobs that mirror your spiritual focus. Give any cares, questions, concerns, guilt, and so forth to the angels for healing and transmutation. Action steps. Quietly call Archangel Raguel, the relationship angel, and Samuel, the angel who finds what you are looking for, and say, Archangel Raguel and Samuel, thank you for helping me stay true to myself as I experience this important change. I ask for your complete and true assistance in sorting through relationships, my career, and other life areas where I feel my tastes have changed. Guide me through these changes with grace, compassion, and integrity so that everyone involved is blessed. Another card. Manifestation power. Wow. Use your spiritual gifts and natural abilities to attract your desired outcome. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is you have got the power. With this card, the angels remind you of your innate spiritual abilities. Perhaps you have been complaining about something or have been feeling like a victim under the influence of someone else's wills. This card is a reminder that you do have the power to change everything in your life by using your natural spiritual gifts or manifestation. When you complain, you give away your power to others. Complaints are also negative affirmation that attracts more of the same undesirable effect. The angels would like you to replace the old complaining habit with a healthier response of visualizing and intending your desired outcome. It works. Action steps. Think about a situation you would like to improve and write, draw, or create a collage that describes the preferred scenario. Look at the depiction of your desire daily and don't worry about how they will manifest. Anytime you catch yourself worrying about or doubting your manifestation abilities, say, Archangel Jophiel, the angel of beauty, please beautify my thoughts about my desire so that they are completed based in love. Another card. Ascended Masters. Powerful, loving, and wise spiritual teachers are watching over and guiding you. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is this card indicates that you have a strong connection with one or more ascended masters who are helping you with the situation you have inquired about. Ascended masters are powerful teachers and healers who once walked the earth. Many are associated with religions such as Jesus, Kuan Yin, the saints Moses, Mother Mary, Ganesh, and so forth. You don't have to be a religious person to warrant an ascended master's attention. The only qualification is a sincere and pure desire to work with the deity for the betterment of humanity and the planet. The first ascended masters or masters who enter your thoughts right now are the beings who are helping you. These masters love and honor you. They know of your talents and spiritual gifts, and they will help you hone them so that they may be used in scar service. Action steps. Think a particular ascended masters and either hold a mental image of deity or look at his or her painting. You can easily print color image from the internet. As you think of the ascended masters, you are automatically calling this card being on your side. Stay quiet and notice any feelings such as air pressure changes or warmth as you tune into the master's presence. Next, send love from your heart to the deity's heart. This occurs just by holding the intention to do so. Realize that no matter how much love you send to the ascended masters, the deity returns the love to you magnified 100-fold. Ask the ascended masters to assist you in opening your heart so that you can more deeply experience the magical healing properties of love. Next card. Base chakra. Choose only positive thoughts to describe your home, career, and finance, as your word determine your outcome. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is this card indicates that you are focused on your material needs, such as desiring more money. It's imperative that you use only positive words and perhaps describe your current situation. Affirm your desire as already being a reality and avoid worry or any discussion that casts you in a victim role. The base chakra, sometimes called the root chakra, located at the bottom of your spine column, is the energy center that governs your feelings about your material needs. To open your flow of divine manifestations, imagine yourself inhaling and sending healing light to the base of your spine. See and feel the huge ball of ruby red light glowing within you. Since every worry is a prayer, drawing to you that which you are worrying about, notice and replace worries with prayers and affirmation. Call upon the angels to boost your faith and confidence, which are two magical ingredients in consciousness manifestation. Action steps: sit in a quiet location and bring your mind and body to calm state. Breathe in and out deeply while imagine your desired outcome as already being a reality. For instance, picture yourself being completely financially secure. As you hold this vision, allow your body to relax and feel as though the vision were already true. Feel the warmth of gratitude in your heart, the sense of security in your stomach, and the relaxation of all your muscles as you trust that this vision is magnificent for you right now. Last but not the least, Earth Angel. You are light worker who has come to earth to teach about love. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card comes to you in response to your question about your life's purpose. The answer is teach about love. You fulfill this task whenever you are centered, serene and loving, as that's when you are a role model of divine peace. You needn't say a word, write a book or work as a healer in order to positively affect others. You merely need to be loving and compassionate in your interactions with others. Those who are peaceful teach about peace, which is the expression of divine love on earth. You also receive this card to help you cope with alienation issues, which means feeling different from others or that you don't belong. As an earth angel, this may be one of your first human incarnation, but don't worry, for you never truly alone. The angels are always with you, guiding, loving, and unconditionally accepting you as you are. There are also other earth angels living among you. You have similar backgrounds and experience of your own. Ask your guardian angels to connect you with like-minded people and they will. Action steps. The key to teaching about love is to first feel it for yourself and your life. Take a pad of paper or open a blank word processing document on your computer and write down everything you think of under the heading "What I like about myself." Now I'll start card reading from another deck, and the first one is: my ability to receive is measured by how much I practice good feeling thoughts. Directing my focus onto what's thriving creates more of what I want. True manifestations are powered by service and love. I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. When I am patient, I let the universe do for me what I cannot do for myself. When I am connected to spirit, I feel a sense of certainty, magnitude, and ease that I have never known before. So this was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I wanted to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you all of you. I also wanted to say thanks to all the people who are inspiring me to make this video and people who are helping me to make this video. Thank you all of you. For all my services including angel card reading and angel reading, you guys can contact me through my email ID, and people who are associated with me on social media, of course you guys can contact me through WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook and Skype, and definitely I would love to help you guys and work with you guys. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel, take care, live with lots of love, light and angel blessing. Namaste.